So let's get right to it. My name is Danny Black, and I'm going to show you the different FOVs or field of views of the Hero 11. A lot of people were asking, like, can you show the differences between them? And so here they are. Obviously, I'm talking to the GoPro right now. This is linear plus, so it's got the horizon lock at 4K 60. I also have it just, I'm not even like really stretching my arm out very far, so you can see how far that is. But I'm also just using the onboard microphones and talking through it. So, all right, so this is just linear, and the difference between those is this doesn't have the horizon lock on it, so it's gonna be a little bit more movement, but I mean, you still got the hyper smooth on there, so it's pretty good, but it's just not locked onto that horizon. And yeah, so this is the difference between them right there. I'm just in the city of Brisbane right now walking. So let's go to the next one down. Okay, so now we are on wide. So this is a wide angle. This is kind of like your normal GoPro wide angle shot. And you know, you can always set on your screen, you have little shortcuts, and you can put your lenses on there so that you can easily switch between them as fast as you want to. But this is wide, again, holding it out just the same amount as I was the other one. So now you get kind of a good point of reference. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is super view, and yeah, you obviously see a little bit more. I'm still holding it the exact same as I was on the other ones, and you get a lot more of the surrounding. This is kind of like that classic GoPro, like kind of warp effect, which is really cool for when you want to get those kind of close-up shots to something with motion, or you have it on your chest and you're doing like a bike ride. But they added another one. And so here we go. This is the newest one. It's called Hyperview. And obviously this is, you can see my shadow too, see how far away I'm holding it out, but you get a much big, it's obviously very trippy. My buddy Scott Davies over there, he said he watched the original video, and he's prone to motion sickness, so he actually felt a bit sick watching it because there is that warped effect. So maybe there's ways that you can utilize it to some better advantages, but I like it. It makes me look skinnier, so I like this point of view. But also I think that we should look at these fields of view with not just the person that's holding it, but we'll look at it like in more of a landscape scenario. So let's go ahead and shuffle through those ones. We're just gonna kind of do a panorama shot here around the botanical gardens of Brisbane. Has that weird warped effect. Obviously it's not necessarily meant for that, but let's go to the next one. And now this is super view. Spinning around. Hey Scott, too late. Linear, I think, looks the best for when you're filming something out in front of you. That looks really good. No warping effects. And this is linear with the horizon lock. And it doesn't actually crop in too much more, but man, that horizon is locked. I just love how that is. Hey Scott. But those are the different fields of view, just because a lot of people were asking for it. I just wanted to make this a quick video. Also, if you're watching this early enough, Tellison and I are giving away Hero 11 on this channel, so make sure you check out in the description. I'll put all the information on how you can win, because we're drawing a name at the end of the month. It could be you winning a Hero 11. I actually like this camera a lot. It's really good. So that's it for today. Hope that you enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.